So I had been using a tree light to light the back of my monitor, and I hadn't used a kit like this before. So I wanted to go ahead and see how it would work out. I've tried in this video to light the back of my monitor, but also my 70-inch TV to see how it looks. Let's go ahead and unbox this product really quick and see what it has to offer. Now 4D is something that really caught my eye because it says 4D and then screen mirroring. And then it also says that it is 85 inches. It can support those TVs. But it can work with Google, Alexa, all of that good stuff. And it shows you an example on the back. So let's go ahead and open this product and see what all is included in this kit. Now, this kit has a little camera inside it or not, believe it or not. But that is the camera that basically looks at your screen. Now you can see on top that we have a leaflet that has an iOS code, an Apple code, and also Android. And here you can see that we have the Lightstrip itself. It is one-time use only, so keep that in mind. Now here what I am taking out is the 4 corner braces. So when you go around the perimeter of the TV, it helps those curves go in smoothly. And this is the holder for the camera that goes on top of your TV or monitor. Now this is the actual camera itself. And you can see it has a little cover on the front which will come off and then you can mount it onto the TV. This is the control station. The control station has 3 buttons on it to change the scenes, whether it be with music, rhythm, or different options, and then also a power button on top too. In the back we can see it has a USB-C, a USB-A, and a power option too. Then last but not least, we can see that it has a power adapter inside it, and I'm just getting a good focus on the power adapter if someone loses it. And here we can see that there are some stickers inside it, or adhesive self strips, that we can use to mount all of this stuff on the back of the TV. Now this is the camera itself, and it looks like it just goes in to that mount like that, and then you can easily route the wire. The main thing about this installation is just the time it takes for it to be set up. Other than that, it doesn't take long. So in a nutshell, what this product consists of is a camera and a light strip that mounts to the back of your TV. So what the camera does is it looks at the TV and it looks at the colors and how they're distributed on the TV. And then it goes ahead and maps the lights on the back of the TV to give you like this immersive experience. Okay, so I was telling you that this is a total of 17 feet, the lightning strip. So keep that in mind when you're mounting it. Now this is my setup at home where I have this little computer setup, but I also have a TV on the side that is 55 inches. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to mount this lightning strip on the back just for a little test to see how it works out. So once I have that around the perimeter, I'm going to turn it around and show you for even a little 32-inch monitor, this little kit can be used. But keep in mind that you're going to waste a lot of lightning strip if you use it that way. The thing that I wanted to make sure was if I did mount this on the back of the monitor, how it would look. So that's how it looks mounted on the back, and it looks pretty decent to me, even though there is a lot of wasted lightning strip. And I would think that, you know, Nanoleaf could come out with a smaller kit for monitors, but it looks really good. The one thing you want to keep in mind is that although they advertise that this product works with an 85-inch TV, but when I measured the light strip, it actually came out to be 17 feet. So with 17 feet, I went ahead and mounted it on the back of my TV, and I probably had an extra 12 inches left. So for an 85-inch TV, I'm not sure if that would cover all of the back of the TV. So you just want to make sure whenever you order this product to go ahead and measure the back perimeter of your TV and make sure that it will fit. So here you can see on the back how I've mounted it. I've used a corner brace and I've routed that lightning strip all the way around. And then I have the controller on the back too. So that makes the installation complete. And here you can really see how powerful the camera is, where the reds, the greens, and the blues are basically, you know, coming and phasing in and out. You can see the colors. You can see different colors at different times according to the modes you use. But sometimes the colors aren't accurate. I mean, take a look at this. You have purple on the top, green in the middle, and there should be red on the bottom, but I'm not seeing that red on the bottom. And I don't know if that's a limitation of the calibration, but I have calibrated this camera to the TV where it looks at the entire surface of the TV. Here, a much more simpler version where we have only two colors. We have a purple color and a blue color, and you can see how it is showing that in full effect. So what I'm doing right now is I'm changing the effects to 2D, 3D, and 4D, and it basically cycles through those different functions where it has a different viewing angle. Now this robotic arm, you can see as it's moving, you can see the yellow color that is changing in the background, and it shows exactly what it would look like if you were to be watching a movie or something like that. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.